Red fox. Red foxes are highly adaptable and can be found in a wide range of habitats across North America, Europe, and Asia. They are known for their reddish-orange fur, although coloration can vary among individuals. Red foxes are omnivorous, with a diet that includes small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and even scavenged food. They are opportunistic hunters, using stealth and agility to capture prey. Red foxes are highly territorial and often have multiple dens within their home range. Conservation efforts are not typically focused on red foxes, as they are common and widespread. They are skilled and adaptable hunters and can even catch birds in flight. Red foxes are known for their vocalizations, including barks, howls, and screams, often used for communication and mate attraction. They are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Red foxes have a keen sense of smell and hearing. They can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. Red foxes have been featured in various folklore and stories in different cultures. They are known for their playful behavior, often seen engaging in pouncing and mock hunting. Red foxes are considered opportunistic breeders, with mating occurring in late winter. They have a lifespan of around 3-4 years in the wild.